Alright y'all, today is the big day. Going to pick up my Cybertruck. We've been waiting how long for this damn car? I think it's been 4 years. I think I'm one of the first people in the world. I'm super excited to pick this beast up. I've never seen it in person. I've only seen images. We're actually turning in this car right here, the Model X, which I really didn't have a good experience with the Model X, I'll be honest with you guys. Taking a little bit of an L on this one, turning it in, but we're getting a car that I really want. This is the first like car video on this channel. I know you guys are used to sneakers, but I'm doing different stuff here on this new series. So if you enjoyed it, y'all know what to do. Hit the thumbs up, maybe even leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts on the Cybertruck, if you think it's worth the hype or it's overrated. Yeah, so when you pick up your car, it's usually waiting right here in the lot, but it's not here, and I think that's because they don't want people like pulling over and taking photos and stuff like that, so they probably have it hidden. So that's honestly cool for me, because I'm not gonna get my first reaction just by seeing it in the parking lot. So we gotta handle some stuff because we gotta do the trade-in. I did see a glimpse of a Cybertruck in the showroom over here, but it's like behind this curtain right here, so you can't see it, but like when you walk in you can see it from the window. So this is sick. Got the breads on feet. First time new kicks with the new car. It's only right. All right, y'all, it's about to pull up, they said. So oh my god. Yo, oh my god, it looks like a Hot Wheel. It's so crazy. He's flashing it. Yo, this is not real. I gotta hit him with the wide lens on that. Oh my god. What?
This is not real life.
This is the future. This is the future.
I can't drive this. This is not funny.
Yo, it's so sick. Oh, look at the, hold up. Got the name on there. Thank you so much. You guys killed it with the presentation and everything. Y'all made this so epic. Yeah. Got the foundation right there engraved. That means it's one of the first ones. The wheels are so big. Like, I don't even know what to do. All right, we gotta go in. I gotta go on the passenger side. Look at the, yeah, you see the front? They got the red carpets out. Gee, oh my God, bro. Look at the back. No, I'm sure they just washed it. Yo, this is might be more roomy than the other car. Screen, this is first impressions, everything. They said I could stand on this, huh?
Yeah, 300 pounds. So
300 pounds. Can we, oh shit, can you guys show me how to use it? I don't know how to. Oh my God. Way bigger than I expected.
And you guys have 3 bottle openers, so if you guys ever do take this thing out, camping.
Oh, these right here?
You have 3 of them on frame.
Oh, that's sick.
And then back here, you do have carpet formats. Inside, you have the all-weather ones already inside.
Yeah.
Down here, you have your mobile connector and your front license plate if you ever want to install that.
Yeah.
This is also a ice cooler, so you can put ice and put some drinks back here. You have a plug down here that will go ahead and drain everything.
That's sick.
This could actually charge another Tesla. You have power outlets. You have 2 110s and then a 240 volt.
I can't get over how big it is.
That's what she said.
Oh, they got the bow on the top? I didn't even see that.
You just push that button there. This will go ahead and open up.
Oh, damn. I didn't even know about that. All
And then
right.
unlike any other Tesla, instead of having to manually close it with your hand, just press the button and it'll close itself.
That's way better.
Yeah.
That's one thing I hated about the other Teslas. All right, so let's see if this.
Oh man, it didn't go through.
And it has the voice too.
Yeah.
This is the highest it goes. It just lifted it up. Literally 2 feet off the ground, they said. Look at this. Looks like a monster truck, bro. So I don't have the rims. Apparently the caps that go on the rims aren't available. They said they're gonna contact me and let me know, but yo, I'm so hyped, bruh. Sorry, I'm using my new camera, so like the angles are weird at the moment, but this is sick. So this right here, this is the Foundation series. So this means I have one of the first Cybertrucks in the world, y'all. In the world. Where's the charging port? This is the charging port?
It is.
Okay.
If you go ahead and press it.
Ah, okay, there we go. Oh, I like that logo there too.
And if you notice, this vehicle does not say Tesla anywhere.
Oh,
It's
it
a
doesn't.
Cybertruck.
I don't even know like where to start with this, like showing the car itself, but I love this. The seats are way more comfortable.
You sat in it for 2 seconds.
It's way more roomy, like, oh my god, Tesla, he killed it. So I was just informed, and we're about to do our first drive test right now. I was just informed that I have one of the first Cybertrucks in the world. I thought it was less than 10,000, but they told me it's less than 1,000. I'm not gonna tell you exactly what number it is, but I'm less than 1,000. I'm one of the first people in the world with this car, which is insane to me. So here we go. Car is officially on drive, and we're about to go. The turning is what's gonna trip me out, because the wheel only turns a certain way, but it feels fine. They did a good job. Shout out to the Irvine Tesla team for doing a great job with the presentation and the unveiling and everything. Like, they were super, super dope. Oh my god. Oh, almost lost it there. We're driving. It feels good. One of the first Cybertrucks on the road. Let's go. So first impressions driving it, super smooth. It doesn't even feel like any other Tesla. I don't know how to explain it, but it does not feel like a regular Tesla.
Oh my god, this is so bad.
People pulling up next to us.
You want to take a photo?
Yeah, go for it. Go for it. Yeah, I just picked it up right now, so thank you so much. Damn, we got Mina with the Uggs on. All right, I see you. I got the
Shout out Foot Locker.
breads, you know what I'm saying? Got my breads. All right, guys, officially got the Cybertruck. I'm not a car reviewer, but I'm gonna try to give you guys a look at it. Straight steel, bulletproof. This thing is a fingerprint magnet, they said. Oh yeah, I see it. You see it? I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but it is definitely. So if you see my car in public, please do not put your fingerprints on it. Like, please. You can look, but don't touch. Boom. Cybertruck. Mina said that this looks like the Cactus Jack logo.
Does it not?
This definitely looks like a Travis type of vibe. They should do a Cactus Jack Cybertruck collab. And then I didn't even know that the seats actually flip up. So you actually pull this tab right here. You pull this tab. Boom. So like literally, I could like lay down. I could sleep in here. I can live in. Should I do a video, guys? Living in my Cybertruck for 24 hours? That would be sick.
Yeah, have fun.
You're not gonna come with me?
No.
Guys, hit the likes. How many likes? 10,000 likes. 10,000 likes and I'll do living in my Cybertruck for 24 hours. If that video does good, I'll do a week.
Can't wait for the snaps.
One thing I don't like is this. Like, I like the fact that I used to be able to walk up to my driver's seat and it would just open. Now it doesn't do that. But more Cybertruck branding right here. I love this. That's super, super dope. It's got a little bit of plastic on here. I gotta rip that off. Oh, and it also, in the trunk, I have the regular floor mats. These are the winter ones, so they give you both options. They give you the winter ones and they give you the regular ones. Just tap right here. Glove box rolls out rather than folding down. Put some coins, put whatever. We usually put our toothpicks in here, so tap to close. And then I just realized it has the Foundation series right there as well. So let's just say Tesla.
How many times is Kai's gonna say Foundation?
Hey, after a
in
year,
the movie,
if
in
y'all
the
trying to buy
video.
this Foundation series, give me a call. You might have to flip it. No, I'm just kidding. I'm keeping this. Tesla, don't disable my account. They're definitely gonna see this video. This is gonna be one of the first reviews, man. This is definitely made way more comfortable than the Model X. The problem I had with the Model X is the seat was just so basic and it was giving me back problems. It has an actual horn, unlike the other yoke wheel. Nice. And these buttons are actually clickable. With the other yoke wheel, with my Model X, it wasn't clickable, so that's a game changer for me. Other than that, the thing they did add to the wheel is you could press this button and all your cameras pop up, because apparently there's no sensors on the car at the moment. There needs to be an update. They said they don't have enough data yet because the car hasn't been on the streets yet, so literally my car is going to give Tesla data. So they'll be able to add the full sensor mode. So I got to be really, really careful. So it's officially been 5 days since I got the Cybertruck, and I want to give you guys an update on everything, the good, the bad, basically the whole experience as this guy drives by my car and videotapes it. That's the first thing. This thing is getting the most attention. Like, I'm literally, people filming me back-to-back cars, getting a lot of attention because there's rarely any on the road. So I understand that. The amount of people who stop me when I'm charging the car, when I'm just driving, or like, you know, going to Target, it's a lot. It's crazy. If you would have put this car next to a Lambo, I'm sure more people would take photos of this car than the Lambo, which is crazy. That's good and bad, I guess. There's no really pros or cons about that. It is what it is. Let me tell you guys the 3 minor issues, which aren't a big problem. It's little things that I'm sure Tesla will fix in the long run or over the next few weeks. First things first, I couldn't send Mina an invite to have access to the car. Usually on the app, you can invite someone, they could log in, make an account, and be able to drive the car, but it wouldn't let her do that. So in order for her to drive, she has to have the key card. I did contact Tesla about this. They said it's just a bug, I'm sure, and that it will eventually get fixed. They didn't really give me a solid answer, but it is what it is. That's expected with a brand new car where there's less than 1,000 of these on the road. The second thing is that it wouldn't let me charge the car till I tried about 30 times. So I went to supercharges and I plugged the car in, and it just starts and stops and starts and stops, and then it says to unplug and plug again. Like, I was having issues. It took me like 15 minutes to get it to start charging. I had to like plug it in, get out of the car, close the door, and walk away and let the car lock for it to start charging. Like, if I was sitting in the car, it wasn't working, but as soon as I got out of the car and I tried it, it worked. And the third issue is that I can't do any of the commands from the app. So I can't unlock the car from my app. I can't make the car honk with my app. I can't turn off the cameras from the app. Like, it just says error. So when Mina was trying to get the key card to use it, it was in the car, but I couldn't unlock the car from the app, and I was not in town. I was in Florida for WWE Royal Rumble. You know what I'm saying? Stay tuned for that video. So yeah, that was an issue where I can't control things from the app. So again, these are all little things that I'm sure Tesla can fix over the air. There hasn't been any issues with the car not starting or anything like that, thank God. But other than that, I absolutely love this car. When I got my Model X, there was no, like, I was happy to get it because I waited for it for so long. I like ordered it in 2021. It came in like end of 2022, and I got it, and it was kind of more so like, finally it's here. I didn't get that like feeling of a new car that I got with this car. Like, this car is amazing. It drives smooth. I feel comfortable in it. Like, the seats in the Model X were very uncomfortable for me because they were simple. These ones feel like they have a lot more cushion in it. It feels like an actual gaming chair in a way, and it's just 10 times better. This guy's taking a video too. So yeah, I just love it. Everything else has just been amazing with this car, and the pros definitely outweigh the cons. Super happy I turned in my X, even though again I lost a lot of money on it. But yeah, man, I'm super satisfied with the car. Shout out to them for also like hitting me back up. Like, Tesla's checked up on me like twice already, asking me if there's anything I need, if there's anything going on. They've checked up on me. They gave me a personal text number to text so that if I ever need anything, they'll respond. And the whole experience has been fantastic, other than those 3 minor issues. I do need to get these windows tinted because again, people are taking videos of me when I'm driving. Luckily nobody's like caused me to crash or anything. People are just kind of driving by slowly. If anybody's in LA or Orange County and wants to help me get my windows tinted, if you're like a local business, let me know. We could do a collaboration and you could be one of the first people to tint the windows on a Cybertruck. I'm not going to be getting the car wrapped. I'm keeping it in the OG body for now. Maybe in the future I'll wrap it, but I definitely want to get the windows tinted. So somebody hit me up on my Instagram. Let me know what other videos y'all want to see with the Cybertruck, because obviously, like I said, I'm one of the first people in the world with it, so I want to try to create dope content with it, whether it be living in it for 24 hours or longer, or showing you guys hidden Easter eggs. Like, let me know what y'all want to see from this car. Thank you guys for tuning into this video. Something different than I ever uploaded on my channel before. So this new series that I'm starting, we're not worried about that. We're just uploading content that we enjoyed, and I really enjoyed this video, so I'm happy. Hope y'all are happy. Thank you for watching. I'm out of here.